Good morning to all. I welcome you to the fifth session of parts of speech. In this session, I want to explain you seventh type of pronoun and eighth type of pronoun. This is the last one. Okay, seventh type of pronoun is relative pronoun. It is a pronoun. What is the pronoun? Relative pronoun is a pronoun. It is a pronoun which refers or relates its antecedents. Is called what is a relative pronoun? Is called a relative pronoun. A pronoun which refers its antecedent. Antecedent is a new term. Antecedent means a noun going before. A noun going before. A noun which is before a pronoun is called what is that? Antecedent. A pronoun means relative pronoun is called what is that? Antecedent. Is it clear? Come to the example. Example is, this is the boy. This is the boy who is a hard worker. This is the boy who is a hard worker. Here, who is the pronoun? The boy is what is that? Noun. Here, noun is used before a pronoun. Is it clear? So, this is called what is that? Antecedent. Antecedent. This is called what is that? Antecedent. What is that? Boy is called antecedent. Is it clear? Here, who refers antecedent? The boy antecedent. So, who is called what is the relative pronoun? Who is called relative pronoun? Relative pronoun means what is that? A pronoun which refers or relates its antecedent. Here, who refers what is that? Boy. This is the boy who is a hard worker. Who is a hard worker? The boy is the hard worker. The boy is the hard worker. Without mentioning the boy here, he mentioned what is that? Who. So this who is called what is that? Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. This who talks about what is that? The boy. This is the boy. Who is the hard worker? ఎవరైతే హార్డ్ వర్కర్ అదే ఈ బాయ్. అతడే ఈ అబ్బాయి. అతడే ఈ అబ్బాయి. So here, who is the boy? So here, who is what is the relative pronoun? Relative pronoun. And next one, the person whom I met is my cousin. The person whom I met on the road is my cousin. Here, whom is the what is that pronoun? The person is a noun, so it is called what is that? Antecedent, because the person noun is before a pronoun. So this whom refers what is that? Antecedent. So it is whom is called what is that? Relative pronoun. Whom is called the relative pronoun. The person whom I met is my uncle, is my cousin, is my cousin. Is it clear? The person whom I met on the road. A person. Who is that person? My uncle, my cousin. Here, whom refers who is that person. So, person is the antecedent. So, whom refers a person antecedent, so that whom is called what is the relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Next one. I have found the book. I have found the book which I lost yesterday. I have found the book which I lost yesterday. Here the book is a noun, which is a pronoun, which is the pronoun. So here book is before the pronoun, and this which refers the book antecedent, so it is called what is that? This which is called the relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. This is the I have found the book. What is the book? Which I lost yesterday. Which I lost yesterday. ఏదైతే నేను పోగొట్టుకున్నా ఆ బుక్ మళ్ళీ నేను ఆ బుక్ నాకు మళ్ళీ దొరికింది. ఆ బుక్ నాకు మళ్ళీ దొరికింది. Here, so here the book refers what is that? Sorry, the which refers the book. The which refers what is that? The book. Here which is called what is that? Relative pronoun. Which is called that relative pronoun. The next sentence is, this is the woman. This is the woman whose son is died in the war. This is the woman whose son is died in the war. Here, whose refers whom? The woman. Whose refers the woman. Here, whose is called what is the relative pronoun? Relative pronoun. Woman is a noun. So it is called as a, what is that, antecedent. So whose refers what is that, woman, so that it is a whose is called relative pronoun. This is the woman whose son is died in the war. ఎవరైతే తన కొడుకుని వార్లో కోల్పోయిందో అదే ఈమె, అదే ఆమె, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్, ఈ ఆవిడ. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. This is the house where my family used to live. This is the house where my family used to live. Here where is a pronoun. So the house is what is the antecedent. Where refers the house. Where is called what is that, a relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. This is the house where my family used to live. Used to live. Here where, whose, which, whom, who are called what is the relative pronoun, are called relative pronoun. These all sentences are called relative clauses. Relative clauses. Is it clear? Relative clause means with the help of the pronoun we can form a relative clause. With the help of the pronoun we can form a relative clauses. So here with the help of the who, I think we have learned in 10th class the topic called definite clauses and indefinite clauses. Definite clauses and definite relative clauses and indefinite relative clauses. Okay, that is. So here who, whom, which, whose, where are called what is the relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. And the last one is interrogative pronoun. Last one is what is that, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. It is a pronoun which is used to ask questions. Which is used to ask questions. A pronoun which is used to ask questions is called what is that, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Who is that? Here this is also a relative pronoun. This is also a pronoun. It is a relative pronoun. This is a interrogative pronoun. The difference between this one, this sentence and this sentence is, this sentence is a relative clause. Relative clause. It combination of what is that, main clause and subordinate clause. Main clause and subordinate clause. It is called simple complex sentence. Complex sentence. But here it is only one sentence. It is a main clause. It is a main clause. When there is a who, what, which, whose, whom. Okay, any interrogative form in the question, those are called what is the interrogative forms. Only one sentence. But here what is that? This who, whom, and which, whose, and what is that, where can be, all these words can be used as a, what is that, used as a joint words, but is not conjunction. These are not called as a conjunctions. These are called only what is the relative pronouns. The function of relative pronoun is what is that, just joining the two clauses. Okay, here the interrogative pronoun is only what is that, it is used in only one sentence. That is a main clause. Here who is called what is that, who is called interrogative pronoun. Who is that? Without mentioning the name, person's name, he mentioned what is that, who is that. So here who is called pronoun. It is a question, so that it is called as a, what is that, interrogative pronoun. And next one, which is your book. Which is your book. Without mentioning the book, he said what is that, which is your book. Which is called what is that, interrogative pronoun. Which is called interrogative pronoun. Next one, whose is this book. Whose is this book. Here whose is called interrogative pronoun. And what is the topic. Here what also interrogative pronoun. Who, which, whose, what are called interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun means what is a pronoun which is used to ask questions. Is called interrogative pronoun. And I have to say one more thing. When there is interrogative pronoun along with noun, this interrogative pronoun called as a interrogative adjective. Is that interrogative adjective. What is interrogative adjective? Here, which is the interrogative adjective? Because there is a noun after there is a noun along with the interrogative pronoun. When there is a only pronoun like which, what, whose, who are called what is the interrogative pronoun. Along with the nouns, they are called as a what is that interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. This pen. Which pen is yours? Which pen is yours? Okay. What matter you discussed? What matter you are discussing? Or you discussed? Question mark. Here what now pronoun? There is a matter. Okay. Now, so here what is called interrogative adjective? Interrogative adjective. Whose name is in the list? Whose name is in the list? Name is a noun, and whose is called what is that? Interrogative adjective. But only whose is called what is that? Interrogative pronoun. Only who, only what, only which, only whose are called what is that? Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. So these are the types of pronoun. We will meet again in the next session, that is about the verb. Thank you.